Hello again. Today we're having a look at another StatsSA based visualization, this time on monthly earnings in South Africa 2017 to 2022. So we'll mainly focus on the latest 2022, and this was published in May of 2024. So let's get into the visualization. So here we have median monthly earnings by province in 2022. We have Gauteng leading with median earnings of 7,500, followed by the Western Cape with median earnings of 5,500. And at the bottom here, we can see that Gauteng has been leading since 2017 at least. And actually it's quite above the rest of the provinces in terms of earnings. And yes, so at the bottom here we have earnings by segment. So it's cut into the bottom 5%, bottom 10%, bottom 25%, the median, the top 25%, top 10%, and the top 5%. So this is the distribution of earnings. So we see quite a steep change through the percentiles or quartiles. So the bottom 5% of South African earners earning 900 Rand per month, and the top 5% earning 36,833 Rand and above. So here we have median earnings by category 2022. That is median earnings by the categories age group, education, industry, occupation, population group, and province. So having a look at by age group, we have that. We see that as you move up in age group, your earnings generally increase. That's expected. Looking at education, we see higher education leading to higher median earning, so that is also expected. So generally slow increase and a significant jump from secondary school completed and also tertiary there. Looking at industry, we see that the highest earning industries are your utilities and mining industry. Going to occupation, we see professionals and managers earning the most. By population group, we see white South Africans earning the most, followed by Indian/Asian, colored, and then Black African. And then by province, we had a look at that here with Gauteng leading the pack. So now looking at earnings by gender. So these 6 bar graphs are just these categories, just split out by gender. Results generally the same. Age groups, as age group increases, we have earnings increasing. Education, as education increases, we have earnings increasing. And population group, the order still stays white, Indian, Asian, colored, and Black African. We still have by occupation, professionals and managers earning the most, and province, as mentioned before, Gauteng leading, followed by Western Cape, then the rest. and by industry, utilities, and mining earning the most. Now looking at the gender breakdown, we generally see for most of these columns that the male column is higher than the female column, so males generally earning more than females in most category breakdowns. Let's see if we can find some anomalies here. Here we have Indian males and females earning the same. For the occupation technician, we have females earning more than males. And for skilled agriculture, we have similar earnings. And down here for domestic work, we have females out earning males, and at a provincial level, still the same. Utilities industry has males and females earning the same, and finance and transport also have females out earning males. And yes, lastly we have private household industry where females out earn males. Okay. All right. Now zooming in more into occupations. So this is just the previous breakdown of monthly earnings in 2022 by occupation. So we have the same graph. Now at the bottom here, we're looking at the number of employees. So generally we have the elementary industry. I'm not necessarily sure what Stats SA means by that. We have significantly more males. We have more males in sales and services, more females as clerks, more females as technicians, and significantly more males in plants and machine operation, as well as crafts and related trades. Slightly more females than males that are professionals, more males that are managers, and significantly more females in domestic work. And in terms of skilled agriculture, we have a lot more males. And in this corner here, we have the earnings ratio, so women to men earnings ratio. So any number under 1 would mean women. Any number under 1 here would mean males out earning females, and any number over 1 would mean females out earning males, and 1 would be equal earnings. So we're seeing here that most of the categories we have males out earning females, except for technician, with 6% differential towards the female side, and domestic worker with a 1.20, so that's 20% differential towards the women's side, and skilled agriculture being equal. Okay. In terms of numbers, this is just another view, so more proportional view of employees in terms of each occupation. So this is a total view of employees in each occupation, and the two next to it just filter by gender, so male and female this side. So here we have technicians, more or less the same size. We have sales and services. Percentage-wise, seems more or less the same for both male and female. Also have one anomaly here, domestic worker, significantly more females than male. And let's see if we can find something where there's significantly more males. Let's see, in the craft and related trades, significantly more males than females. Okay, so and there we have it. Those are the visualizations.